When I came out this morning, there was a softball-sized puddle of power steering fluid on the ground. I will be replacing this at some point, depending on how it continues to leak. And it's not coming out of the fittings, it's coming out of that front seal. This power steering pump is a Napa, which has a lifetime warranty, but this one was last replaced in 2011, and I think my receipt has gone missing in a move, so I'll probably have to buy this replacement. The biggest aggravation will be removing and replacing this pulley. The new power steering pumps don't come with a pulley, so you've got to have a special puller to remove that pulley and then press it back on. And I have one, if I can find it. It may be packed away from one of the moves.